Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I roast my cauliflower. And this video is part of the hashtag quarantine cook with me series. It's a 4-week series that the beautiful Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner and Denise from This and That of Denise Jordan hosted. And this is the 4th week. I have a playlist with all the participants in the description box, and I also have a link to Kenya's and Denise's channel. And in this video, I did not give any measurements. I just seasoned it. So of course, the first thing you're gonna do is cut your cauliflower up. I like to wash my cauliflower off. So the first thing I'm gonna go in with is some olive oil. Just a generous amount so your seasoning can have something to adhere to. And I'm gonna use a little soy sauce. I probably did like a tablespoon. Or 2 tablespoons. And a little garlic salt, garlic powder, whichever one you have. So I'll say this is about a teaspoonful. Then a little paprika. Now I probably just did like a 1/4 of a teaspoon of the paprika. Or maybe a half. Sheet with some parchment paper, and I just laid the cauliflower on the pan, and I'm gonna bake it at 350. Down on one side, I took it out and I'm flipping it over. And so you just cook it to your liking until it's tender and brown the way you like it. Sorry I don't have exact measurements and timing.